Help me out. Oh,
You've got like stuff on you.
fluff. Welcome to our new vlog. We are getting ready to go to Bonfire night, although I'm having a bit of a mare. I've got my docs on, but I think I put weight on since I wore them last. And what is that? So I thought, you know, like a long coat would really cover it up, but maybe I have to switch the tongues to the other side, so that then it kind of like anyway, this is my outfit. Do you want to stand and show? Oh,
This is my outfit.
hang on, I've got you zoomed in. Let me zoom out. There we go.
So I've got boots. These were TK Maxx last year.
Oh, we're doing a full outfit of the day.
Yeah. Got leggings on.
Nice.
Got Soft Ski thermal one underneath. We've got this jacket, coat, which is from H&M.
Lovely.
Soft belt, which is from Zara.
Mm.
Scarf, which is from H&M. And me.
And you? Oh. It's Bonfire night ready, so yes, we're off. We're off to go see the fireworks. I want a fluffier scarf, but because of the boots issue, I have to wear this colour
You can
scarf.
wear my white one.
No, I think it needs to be like nude to match this. But yeah, thermal top underneath, so hopefully I won't be too cold. I did try my fluffy hat, but it was not a vibe. So, should we go? Let's go. I am on. Take a guess. How much?
How much do you think
Yes.
she just did? Before we tell you, it's up to there.
Take a guess.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. £21.
Never again. This better be the best pick mix. And now I know why Mum wouldn't let me get pick mix at the cinema.
No comment. No comment, guys.
It's raining.
booked a flight to come see you. Yeah, I think it's the 1st or 2nd of December. Yeah, and we're gonna have a party. Me and you. Sleepover party.
I might gate crash the sleepover party.
No way.
Yeah.
There's no invited. We are having biscuits in bed. Does that sound good? I think it sounds amazing. Me, you, biscuits in bed. Yeah? Oh, no. Mum, don't tell Mum, don't tell Mum. Nothing. We're planning a...
Good evening. Actually, let me put my earphones in because I feel like the sound is always... Right, hopefully that's better. It's been a bit of a rubbish week. I won't lie. We've had a few stresses with C, but we are still in the country, which means only one thing, that she's still okay at the moment. It would have just been a lot of us crying, so I didn't really think that was worthwhile watching. I'm sure there will be tears from us, but for now we have good news and we're going to keep going. But I am off now to go to the Harrods lights turn on. So it's the official launch of Dior and Harrods for their Christmas stuff. So I'm going to try and get down there and see the lights turn on, and then Lily and I have tickets to the exhibition and cafe tomorrow when it officially opens, which outside of press day. Today's press day. So yeah, I'm heading down. Rumours are there is a celebrity turning them on, so I'm not sure who it's going to be. But yeah, I'm excited to go see some lights get turned on. So let's go to Harrods. 40 minutes, and we're only at the common. I will not be seeing these lights get turned on. This is taking the mick now. So there may be change buses, and then this bus I may be changed to has stopped at Sloane Square. The lights turn on was 4 minutes ago. I don't really know why I'm still going, but I'm now walking from Sloane Square to Harrods. So I'm nearly there. I have missed it. I am upset. But what can we do? I can't be angry. So here we are. I'm going to see it anyway. It smells amazing. Oh yeah, so this is where we should have been. But oh, looks like Dior is not turned on, but technical issues. Alright, let's go for a walk round. Let's have a look. Still quite busy. Maybe get a coffee after. Well, maybe a hot chocolate, maybe not coffee at this time. Oh, so the people pass. Got little perfume biscuits. Sweet. Let's go down. Ooh, lipsticks. These are nice. Dior perfume. So apparently most of this is made out of actual gingerbread, which is pretty incredible. It definitely smells like it, that's for sure. Kids' clothes. Oh, they move. They're up there, they're jumping up and down. Babies? Sorry. Baby. Right, let's get to the front. Miss Dior. Dinner? I actually want those plates. Just imagine eating off those plates. That's a good one. I know the front is pretty. because of the traffic, as you would have known. So today I have decided that I shall be working in the office so I can leave and get to Dior on time and do part 2 of the event. So I'm outside Harvey Nicks, gonna cross the road, go and find Lily and go to the exhibition.
Make me laugh and nothing has to change today. You didn't mean to see I love you. I love you. I don't want to.
House of Christian Dior that we know today. The 3 locations range from his childhood home, Bonfire, to La Cour Noire, his final home, and the most iconic home of all, the House of Christian Dior, Avenue 13. And as you can see, Christian Dior awaits all of you, and you are all represented.
It was originally very, very small, but as the brand developed, it was actually bought. Christian Dior decided to buy out the entire street, which is what you see here.
I'm coming to you from the future now. I'm sat here editing this week's vlog. Oh, what's in my eyebrow? What's in my eyebrow? don't know what that was. Editing this week's vlog, so just finishing it off. We had a really lovely time at Dior and Harrods. The exhibition is beautiful, and I really like the fact that they limit the amount of people that go in. So I think it's about 15 people at a time. So you're never in there with loads and loads of people. I'm assuming they've done it because it is so delicate. But I just appreciated it from the fact that they're not like crammed in with loads of people at the same time. So that was really, really lovely, and it's free, so I highly recommend going down. Then we went over to the cafe. Mixed emotions and feelings on the cafe. Beautiful design. Again, like I think the one thing about the big brands, and I said the same when we went to the Gucci event, they really think about the tiny details, and those are the things that really makes an event spectacular. And they very much had thought about everything, and it was beautiful. The only thing really both said was it would have been nice for it to smell like gingerbread. So there's no scent, and I don't mean like wafts and wafts of it and that it's sickly, but just something like really subtle, to make you feel like you really are in a kind of a gingerbread house. But no, that was nice. The food was expensive, but we didn't go for the food. We wanted to go for the dessert, but they'd sold out, so that was slightly disappointing, bearing in mind it was day one, because they've got like an Instagram dessert which they're trying to promote, and it didn't have any, so I didn't get to try it. So I'm going to try and go back another time, but obviously the sessions are booking out now. It's massively over social media, so yeah, the sessions are getting less and less, but you can kind of get what you want, really. Like, we went in there for dessert and was a bit worried that they'd be like, no, you have to get like a main and or a starter, and they were like, no, it's fine, you can get the dessert, if they had it. So that was nice. We're gonna try and get some biscuits, so they've got biscuiteer biscuits in there in different designs, but I'm gonna pop back and get those when I want them, so that they're not stale, because they are £15 per biscuit, which is expensive, but they are biscuiteer biscuits, so it's not just kind of your standard biscuit. So we done that, and then done a loop of the window displays with Lily, and went to the 2 pop-ups that are inside. So they've got like a gift shop right at the front entrance, and then towards the back they've got I want to say it's accessories, but it's where the kind of moving display is, so the kind of conveyor belt area and the pop-up like candy display thing with all the bags on it. So I mean, they've done an incredible job in the sense of it looks stunning, so it's definitely worth a visit, even if it's just the exhibition and the walk around, if you don't go to the cafe. But the cafe is nice, if you kind of have things to eat in there. So yeah, God, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. You'll see in next week's vlog why I'm so exhausted, but I've had like 2 naps already today, but I'm now making a roast. I'm waiting for Lily. But yeah, that's this week. So yeah, very much starting the Christmas spirit now. It feels very festive. Definitely feel like I need to start thinking about what I'm getting people. I'm very behind on Christmas presents this year. Usually I would have bought at least 1 or 2. I bought none, so I need to get my act together, really. I need to start having a think. I'm just struggling this year. Like, usually I've got a bit of an idea of what people want or kind of what I can get. Literally no idea, nothing. So yeah, I need to get my thinking hat on, but I'm just editing this vlog to send it out, and I'm gonna watch I'm a Celebrity and then go to bed early. I've got a really busy week, like work-wise, this week. I've got a number of interviews every day. I'm making my team bigger, so I really need to be sort of alert and on it this week, which It's making me tired already just thinking about it. But at least it means the week should go relatively quickly. But yes, I'm not quite sure what we're going to do vlog-wise next week. It is Sunday, so I've been out yesterday, so there's a few things coming. But I don't know what else we're doing in the rest of the week, so I might have a think. I certainly we need to try and do like another interactive fun one, but I don't want to feel like I'm copying people. Like, I like Sophia and Cinzia's Starbucks drinks taster, but obviously it was their idea, so I don't want to kind of just copy. So I need to get thinking about what we can kind of do as another kind of more fun one, as opposed to just going out and about with us to the events. But I'll see. But yeah, thank you for spending another week with us. I'm trying to avoid that like screen display in my glasses, which is why my head's like this, so you don't have to see the green display. But yeah, thank you for spending another week with us. We shall see you next week, and enjoy.